If you really want to succeed in search engine optimization, keyword research, on-page, off-page, blended search results, all that is important. But the very basic is your website. If your website is not easy to navigate, if it's not clean, if it's not sufficiently communicating what it intends to communicate, then you're going to fail. In this section, you're going to understand how your website should be designed, what are some of the factors that you need to keep in mind in order to have a great user experience. And believe it or not, user experience directly impacts your search engine rankings. So let's get started. Step number one, if you want to have a really good user experience, make your content simple. Make your navigation simple. Make sure whatever you intend to communicate on your website is right there up front. Okay, now let's consider this. Imagine a website that's got tons of content. There are lots of navigation, like the main menu options, and it's all over the place. Imagine there is banners and widgets all over the place. Would you be comfortable navigating such a website? Or let us consider this, a website which is clean, very well organized in terms of navigation. You hover the mouse over and you're going to get very specific drop-down menu, a very clean logo, and right above the fold on the website, you see the solution that the website offers to you right then and there. And last but not the least, there's also a call to action. You know what is the next step of action. Between these two websites, which one would you choose? The one that is messy or the one which is clean in terms of navigation, simplicity in terms of communication, and a clear call to action? There's no doubt in my mind you're going to go with the second one. So remember that having a website which has enough white space, good content, and really offers the solution right up front so that the user, the website visitor, really understands what he or she is going to get on the website is going to be so much better. Now, apart from that, you also want to help your visitors, your website visitors, understand the content that is there, and then slowly direct them towards more relevant content that they would be looking for. Now, this can be done using something called internal and external linking. Think about this. You have a website which has 3 different products. Product A, B, and C. A website visitor comes to your website. They read about product A. While they are convinced, they're looking for something more. If you could very carefully direct them towards product B, chances are they will get to read that, and hopefully that will excite them, and hopefully they'll buy as well. The point here is that by having proper internal linking structure, you can direct your potential customers to the place where they could find value and where you can potentially sell to them. Not just that, sometimes you may not have all the content, all the answers for your users' questions. That's okay. There will be another website or maybe plethora of websites that have better solutions. That's fine. You can help your customers direct there. That is called an external link. You direct people to content that will be useful for them, but only the ones that are authoritative, that are legit, and that can truly help resolve your website visitors' concerns. Guess what? The next time they have a trouble, even though they did not get the solution right directly on your website, they will still appreciate the fact that you directed them to the right place and they will actually come to you first. That's the beauty of external links. So remember, your website needs to be good in terms of navigation. Keep it simple, keep it clear. Your communication of what solution your website offers must be very clear at the outset. The user needs to know what is the next step of action, also called as a call to action or CTA. Then make sure your website content also has redirections, meaning they should be able to move from one page to another within the website or outside of the website, but the end goal should be customer satisfaction. I hope this was value adding. Thank you very much. Do check out the other videos about on-page, off-page, and blended search results and much more. Thank you.